Hi, in this short tutorial on Excel, I will show you how quickly you can translate any language to any other language. So we got here two sentences in two different cells. So what you need to do is to go to the review tab. In here you can see language, and then there is a place called translate. There is a shortcut key for it. You can press Alt, Shift and F7 to activate the same panel. What you got to do here is to select the sentences or the cells you want to translate, and then click on translate. The translator panel opens, and then it detects the original language, and then you can select any other language you want. It has many languages. I think it has almost all the languages in the world. It even has Lithuanian language, which is a 3 million population country, so it must have any language you want. Polish, Persian, Norwegian, Punjabi. And I'll translate to Hindi. Even with different script it shows. And you can double check each word by moving your cursor over it, and gives you different explanation for each word. I hope this short tutorial on Excel was useful. Please don't forget to watch my tutorial on Excel. And if this video was useful, don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.